The current video that you are viewing now is the video about papaya. The papaya is about 1 year and 3 months already. The variety of papaya is Red Royale. This was the papaya that I am showing you before, the small papaya that bear fruits quickly. We are showing you this video because I know that there are some viewers that are interested in papaya. Especially papaya is very important in our diet. It releases bowel or it triggers bowel movement quickly. So it is very nice to health. So that's why we should always eat if you cannot plant papaya. By the way, I would like to share you the story why I began to plant papaya. This portion was not planted with papaya before. If you have seen the plant that was the plant that was originally planted here was the hot pepper, the red hot. Then after planting red hot, which is not successful, I replaced it with the tomato, the Demax. Then what happened? The planting of tomato is successful. I harvested much here, but since I was I don't have anything to do with here, no? So after planting tomato, the Demax, I immediately planted it with the string beans, the bonga. So the result of planting bonga here is also successful. When I plant bonga here, a variety of bonga string beans here, that was month of March, February, March, I think. So what happened here when I planted bonga? When they reached the vegetative stage and began bearing flower, you know what happened to my plant, to that string beans? It produces very much, or it produces many string or fruits. So it produces much string beans. So that I was able to harvest string beans daily. So what I do is I apply fertilizer, the Yara Viking Shipuria, every week. Then I also watered it, flooding every week. Then what happened? I gather fruits or string beans daily. So after that, I decided to plant this dragon fruit, and before that I started planting this Red Royale because I have read that Red Royale is better than other varieties. I have not yet tested other varieties that time, but I heard that this is better than any other. But anyway, I have already tested or have already tried planting the Sinta, the what's that variety, the Red Lady, and other varieties of papaya. But comparing to this Red Royale, I find Red Royale better than those variety. So that time, my Red Royale I was in the trial and failure period. So that time my papaya is not good. But way back when I was a kid, I observed that our papaya, native papaya, when it grows up, the first time that it bear fruits, it's big, like this one. It's big. But as it goes up, the fruit became medium and small. But I discovered that when I plant Red Royale, I applied fertilizer weekly or monthly, I should say. I applied the fertilizer monthly. So what happened, it sustains the size of the fruit from this size to this size. So look at this one, look at this one. So the size of this fruit is sustainable, no, until here. And you can see there are some small, but that's normal for this papaya. So I'm showing you other fruit, other tree of papaya. So here, so after 2 months, again it begins flowering and bearing fruit. So what I do here, I just drench or apply fertilizer, then watered it weekly or every 2 days. Not flooding. I use faucet to water this one so that the flowering and bearing fruit will sustain. So what I can say to those individual or farmer who are planning to plant papaya, you should plant papaya not closer. No, the distance of my papaya is 2 meters. The appropriate or the suitable distance for this one is 2 by 3 meters, so that it will bear fruit like this. I have seen some farmers who planted papaya closer than this one, and what happened, it does not bear much fruit like what I did. So this one, starting from here, it already bears fruit. So imagine it more than 1 sack I have already harvested from this tree of papaya. So there was from the 40 trees, 40 seedlings I think that I have planted in this portion, there was only around 38 or 32, or I'm not sure. I have not yet counted them, that was left. But still, I maintained them, and I harvested much from this one. In fact, there are many orders. You cannot see ripening papaya this time, because there are many orders, because I have already discovered how to make this papaya sweet and taste delicious, no? By applying what I have been mentioned already, the Yaramila and the calcium nitrate, plus what I sprayed it with Power Grower Heavyweight Tandenim and Anaa. That makes the fruit of the papaya very sweet and very tasty. So that's why there are many order. Buyers come here. They cannot wait for the order to arrive in their home. They come here to see if there is ripened fruit already. So I suggest that if you plant papaya, do not make it closer. And when you plant papaya, plant it at month of this one. I planted it last January 2020, but I begin planting this January 2020. Now March, it's already March 2021. So more than a year. It does not bear fruit quickly, because January is summer season, and it's very hot. So at that time they become stunted. They did not grow, and I wait until May, till rainy season comes, that they began bearing flower, and at the same time bearing fruit. And from May until now, there is last rainy season, there is not enough rain, so that's why they have this papaya have sustained their growth, and they are not affected by water. So that's why they have already reached 1 year and 3 months already. So I did not put water by flooding here because there is so much fruit to be carried. They might be fall down if they might fall down if the soil becomes wet. So that's why I just watered it using the faucet, no? So that just to maintain the moist on the ground, so that they will continue to bear flowers and fruit. If you have question about raising papaya, making it tastier and delicious, how to market it, you are free to put your question on the comment portion, so that I can help you and I can guide you how to raise, how to produce papaya. Papaya, I guarantee you, is a money maker. So that's why I continue to produce papaya. And I'm just waiting for the new seeds of Red Royale to arrive. Then I will going to plant again another batch, so that I can replace this one. No, I will going to plant at the middle of this two papaya, no, so that they will after, so that it will have a new plant to replace this one when they will retire. So I hope that I have given you idea, a bright idea in planting papaya. I can help you. If you have question, please just comment below, and I will be very much you will be very much welcome. And I appreciate your comment, and any comment. I do appreciate it. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.